Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you if you have problems with your Dodge Dart not starting, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for the starter. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction to the channel, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. In addition, guys, if you want to save even more money, let's say on car parts, starter, fuses, anything, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share it for your convenience. Now, I'll go ahead and open the hood, guys. Okay, the starter fuse is located in the fuse box under the hood. And this is the 2.4 engine, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be the same, guys, as well, I think. Now, this is the fuse box right here next to the car battery. How you open that fuse, guys? You have one clip here that you need to press in and then you go up. So check it out now. Press in, go up. Now you come in an angle because here you have two little clips, okay, like that, and pull it out. Now you're going to notice that on the reverse side, okay, of that fuse box, you're going to actually, guys, have numbers, okay. All those things are numbered here, and I don't know who actually numbered them. They don't make any sense. They go 1, 2, 81, 4, 82. So it's really confusing right now, guys. But the fuse that we'll be looking at, guys, okay, it should be fuse number 3. And as you can see, you have F for a fuse, T for a relay. So F03. This is, guys, the second fuse, okay, in that left row, okay, the second row from right to left. This is relay, so 1, 2, the second fuse. Looking in the fuse box, okay, right here, that's what we're talking about. So second row, okay, one fuse, second fuse, because this is supposed to be a relay. This is, guys, the starter fuse. If you need to buy a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. What I usually do, I remove it with pliers. I recommend to have your car battery disconnected, guys. We have the video on the channel that explains how to properly disconnect your car battery. So check it out, guys, if you need help with that. So what I'm going to do, grab that fuse, okay, really strong with the pliers, and pull it out. Now you can usually, guys, really easy check if those fuses are good by looking at it or by testing them with the multimeter or voltmeter. We have the video on the channel how to do that. Not very complicated at all, guys. So once you're all done, guys, okay, you grab the new fuse, you go ahead and you install it. Exactly, guys, the same way we took it apart, the same slot, the same space. And later, don't forget to put your cover on, okay, because if you don't put the cover on, you may get dirt and water inside here, or humidity, and as a result you may have malfunctions, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.